So if you're like me that loves to swallow or loves to eat achu or to eat cocky beans and plantains, you bear with me that this machine is a lifesaver. It helps you to actually pound your yam for your pounded yam, helps you to also pound your cocoyam for your achu, it helps you to also grind your beans for your cocky beans. Get your own today. The 6 liters is 35,000, 10 liters is 55,000, and 12 liters is just for the price of 65,000. You can see how this woman is using it to grind her achu, to pound her cocoyams for her achu easily, very smooth. Also, you hear what our customer who got her own last week is just saying. Get your own today and get your own now. We look forward to serve you.
Videotape also not for map. Achu is ready.
C'est la magie.
See, smooth.